Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the link accessible and safe. Park level, chalk wheels, and jack the front end so you have clearance. Once elevated, remove the wheel and lean the steering knuckle slightly inward to expose the stabilizer link. Use penetrating oil on both ball joints and mounting nuts. Let it soak while you confirm torque sizes with your socket set and open-end wrenches. Begin turning the lower nut to relieve preload. You want slow, controlled force so the stud doesn't twist and damage the boot. Next, prevent the stud from spinning by inserting the correct hex key or using a backup wrench on the flats. Once held, apply a breaker bar to the nut. A short, sharp impact often breaks corrosion free. After the nut backs off, use a ball joint separator or a few controlled hammer strikes to pop the stud free. Aim at the control arm taper. Make sure to support the sway bar so it doesn't snap down. Slow, deliberate motions avoid tearing the boot or bending the link. Finally, extract the stabilizer link and lay it beside the replacement to confirm match on length and thread direction. Clean the mounting points and apply anti-seize lightly to the new hardware. Install the new link hand-tight first so alignment falls naturally. Torque both nuts to the manufacturer's spec and lower the vehicle. Once done, tighten wheels to spec and road test at low speed. If you hear clunks or C-play, recheck torque and inspect bushings. Loose nuts or damaged boots cause most post-replacement issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.